Why do people get infertility? The emotional pattern that is associated with infertility is how you create. And we create everything in our life. Many people I worked with who had infertility, male and females, they spend all their creative energies to create maybe a career or a business or sport achievements or any other things that they create. And when time comes for them to create a baby, there is no creative energy left to conceive a baby. So, to heal infertility, you need to look at how you create and how you spend your creative energy on what issues in your life. And change the energy dynamic. You need to spend all the creative energy on trying to create a baby and try to disconnect from what else you are creating, maybe a career or a business, just not to spend so much energy on these issues. So redirect how you create in this world.